Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change wipers on an Acura RDX. First, let's gather our tools and prepare the vehicle. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and your new wiper blades. Make sure you have the correct sizes for your specific RDX model. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the ignition for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Be gentle to avoid scratching your glass. Next, locate the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the hook. Repeat this for both sides. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and slide its connector onto the wiper arm hook. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Be careful not to let it snap down. Then, simply repeat these steps for the other side. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe the new blades to ensure they clear the glass effectively and make full contact across the entire windshield. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking or chattering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.